Hello everybody, so today I want to explain why we have this series in here, and later that if we do first derivative we got like this. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about McLaurin's series. So the formula for this situation, we got about y equals to a number 0 plus we have first derivative at number 0 and we have 1 factorial multiplied by s. Later that we have second derivative at s equal to number 0 and we have 2 factorial and we have s squared, and we have third derivative at s equals to number 0 over 3 factorial multiplied by s to the power of 3 and so on in here. So this is about the McLaurin's series. We know that this is about coefficient. So we can put about a number 1, a number 2, and a number 3. So if we put in the summarize everything in here, they will equals to this one. And this is the reason why we got the answer for the first series in here. Now we go to the second series. Why do we have this one? So if we do first derivative, this is about the number. First derivative of the number, you got about 0. First derivative of s, you got about 1. So you got about a number 1. First derivative of s squared, you got about 2s. First derivative of s to the power of 3, you got about 3s squared, and so on in here. Now if we summarize everything in here, we see that they start at a number 1. Because they start at a number 1 in here, so the summation they will change into n equals to number 1, because a number 1 is about the first one to start the series. This is the reason why you got about n equals to number 1. Because we still have a, and so we put about an. Because we have number 2 and this power in here, they reduce only number 1, so you got about ns to the power of n minus 1. And this is the reason why we got this series for first derivative. This is the end. Thank you for watching.